Beast, what do you think of boating adventure number 2?
I think technically number 3.
Technically number 3. You're not incorrect. We're gonna do this one more time, people. We're gonna do this one more time, boat style. We got the water the way we want. We got the weather the way we want. Hopefully this footage looks a lot better than day 1.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be good. Now,
JP?
Yes, I'm super excited.
Yeah, JP's super excited. Rob's writing down things. Yeah. Say goodbye, Rob. He's gonna be flopping around like a salmon caught on the deck of a boat. How about that one? It took me a second to think about that one. Gotcha. It's slippery right there.
Like we jump just straight.
Just jump as far out as you can.
Yeah. Is it like? Did you touch the bottom?
No, you won't touch the bottom.
You won't touch it, yeah.
You go to like that mud puddle and then you jump in. No.
Yay!
Up here.
Good job, buddy.
I can't do this.
All right, we're gonna do this. Good job, JP.
Yeah, I will. I know. Wanna go fast?
Yeah.
Yeah, go fast.
That is very good.
Here we go.
His handle, Bob, hold on here. Hold on here. And I hold on to your handle.
You guys are flying. All right, we're rocking.
Stacking up on. It's like I'm gonna eat some cheese
Yeah.
first. I need a stack of
Here,
it.
come here, buddy. Here, hold me. And then you want to pop in first?
Yep.
I'll go
Here.
Alright, wait, you wait.
Here,
You
hold
wait
on.
for Mama. I'm always like super graceful with this.
I won't film you, don't worry.
All right, ready, bud?
Big jump. Woo!
there you go.
Gotcha.
It's way worse than that.
Alright, you ready? Hold on to your handle. Mama holds on to you.
Boom. Now, if one goes, both of them go, right?
I'll take Cole with me if I can.
good time, JP?
I had an excellent time. This was
Yeah.
the best tubing ever. It was crazy. It was crazy. Best time.
Did you pee in the water?
I might have. I'm not at liberty to tell you this.
A lot of peeing.
Sure.
A lot of peeing. See how a boat gets in the water.